Step 1. Open the box and lay out all components neatly. Using a trim removal tool, carefully remove the corresponding factory parts as demonstrated in the video. Route the wiring harness of the side marker light through the factory opening. Then press the light assembly firmly into place until it clicks securely. Step 2. Unplug the factory electrical connector and insert it into the corresponding socket on the side marker light harness. Next, plug the connector from the side marker light harness into its designated port. Secure the wiring harness along the specified path using zip ties. Repeat the entire process for the opposite side marker light. Step 3. Unplug the relevant factory electrical connector and connect it to the matching interface of the adapter wiring harness. Then, plug the connector from the adapter harness into its designated port. Connect both the driver and passenger side marker light harnesses to the adapter harness. Step 4. Remove protective backing from the black and white decal. Align and apply it to the specified area on the side marker light as shown in the video. Repeat this step for the opposite side light. Finally, close the vehicle's hood to complete the installation